Hello, my name is Ryan Coholan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the MBTA. Tonight we're down at Wollaston Station on the Red Line Braintree branch to talk a little bit about single track operation. Single tracking is a safe and effective way to take care of inspections, maintenance, or other capital work on one track while trains operate both directions on the opposite track. Single tracking allows passengers to still use the MBTA services without having to transfer to buses. While this may increase travel time slightly, the MBTA is committed to making sure that we can perform this work and minimize impact to our passengers. If we're single tracking around your station, please take note of on-platform signage as well as audible alerts to notify you of what track your train may be on. Please make sure you check mbta.com and subscribe to T-Alerts so that we can let you know when we may be single tracking your station. Thank you for riding the MBTA.